What is up, you guys? Welcome back to my channel. As you guys can see, I've got a Bath and Body Works semi-annual sale haul for y'all today. You guys know this is my favorite time of the year. It's like Christmas, honey, when they have the sale, okay? So this year I've only been twice so far. I think last year I went like 4 times, okay? But I only went twice this year. And I just want to try to quickly show you the different things that I got since I have 4 bags. I don't want to take too long, so I'm going to try to get through it as quick as I possibly can. But the sale is still going on, so if you guys see anything that you like here, I want you guys to be able to run out and go get it. Okay, so I'm going to go ahead and start with bag number 1. You guys, so excited. Oh my gosh. I have used a couple of the items too. I'll let you guys know which when I get to them. I'm going to go ahead and take out what I got in the second bag. This was day 1. You guys know that it is 75% off the original price, which can range anywhere from $16 to $15 to $13. So most of the items I got were $2.33, $3.37, you know, mostly $3. I got a couple $1.62 items, which are the very small items. I might have got 1 or 2 for four and some change. Okay, I got one of these glass ones. It is a Christmas edition, but that's okay. It's an Aromatherapy Tea Tree plus Peppermint, and I thought the smell was good for like bedtime, you know, having like a night shower, coming to bed and putting on this nice tea tree and peppermint and just like a little aromatherapy calming moment. But I like that it's in the glass container. This one was originally $13.50. I got 5 body washes, 4 full size, 1 small. The small one that I got is the Gingham Love. I've never tried this one, so I can't wait to give this one a try. These were $6.50 originally, but they were like $1 and some change with the sale. I got Snowflakes in Cashmere. The sales lady told me this smells really good. I got Poolside Colada. This one is iced coconut, juicy pineapple, jasmine petals, vanilla cream, and sparkling sugar. I got Magnolia Charm. And the fragrance notes are dewy pearl blossom, blooming magnolia, and fresh cedar. She said this one smells good as well. So I got the matching body cream as well of the Magnolia Charm. And I picked up, this was their it was a I think they're like the Black History Month collection. It's called Confident, and it's the champagne toast. It's bubbly champagne, sparkling berries, and juicy tangerine. So those are the shower gels that I got. And I picked up 3 of these. These are all antibacterial hand sprays. They were also $1 and some change. These 2 actually are 1,000 Wishes. And this one is Fiji White Sands. And oh yeah, I forgot this matches this one. So I got the Aromatherapy Tea Tree and Peppermint Essential Oil Mist, and you can use this for body spray. You can use it for a shower mist. You could put it on your pillows and linens, and that's what I mainly use them for. I like to put them on spray it on my bedding. This was original $13.50. And these were, I don't know if I didn't tell you guys, $6.50 original price. I got 3 little lotions, all in 1,000 Wishes, because this scent smells so good. These were $6.50, so they were $1. All of these were $1, some change. I got 2 more of the this style size body creams. This one is the Forever Red with fiery pomegranate, red peony, rich vanilla rum, and oak wood. And this one is pomegranate, prosecco, sweet elderberry, star jasmine, and sugared woods. And I didn't say the name, but it's 1,000 wishes. It's different. It has a different look. It usually looks like this. Oh, so this one's limited edition. So it's 1,000 wishes for you. Limited edition. Nice. Didn't pay that no attention. I just seen 1,000 wishes. And then for the body sprays, I have one little one. This one is Bubbly Rosé. I got 2 of these. I got the white t-shirt. I've been using this one. Smells really good. A nice light scent. It's not strong. It's crisp pear, fresh white t-shirt, lavender cloud, clean musk, and soft sandalwood. And then I also got fresh coconut and cotton. And this one's just coconut, coastal breeze, and beachside cotton. I haven't tried this one yet, but they both, I'm sure, is going to smell really good. I got the Gingham body spray. I haven't tried it, but I heard that this smells really good. I got Hello Beautiful. This one, some has the fragrance notes and some don't. This one is white gardenia, jasmine petals, magnolia blossom, pink nectarine, and cotton musk. And I thought this, the print on the bottle is really pretty. That's one of the main reasons I grabbed that one. And then I also got the body spray to go with the Magnolia Charm cream and the Magnolia Charm shower gel. I also got the body spray. And then this one, they had on a table that said 50% off. But once I read my receipt, I realized it was 75% off because I would have gotten the whole set. I was already on my way to checkout at the time. I was looking for this one last year and could not find it. So when I seen it, I grabbed the body spray in the Cotton Candy Clouds. It's spun sugar, pink berries, and whipped vanilla. This one was originally $16.50. And when I went the other day, I was hoping that I was going to find the lotion and the shower gel to go with it, but they didn't have it at the, I went to a different Bath and Body Works than I went on this first go around. On the second batch, I'm going to show you guys right now. So let me get these out the way, and I'm going to show you what I got on my second trip. Alright, you guys, so on this second go around, I am going to start off with the men's collection and show you what they have for them. They only had a few items left, 75% off, so I'll start with that, which is these 4. So this is a men's body lotion called Marble. It's Mediterranean waters, cliffside geranium, and amberwood. And the sales lady said this smells great. She also said that the teak wood smells really, really good. So we got 2 of these 3-in-1 hair, face, and body wash. And the teak wood is mahogany, black teak wood, and lavender. And then this is another one of the Black History Month collections. I showed you guys one earlier. And I'm not sure. I believe this is for men. Doesn't say it on there. But I believe so because most of theirs always comes in a 3-in-1. But the scents in this one is mahogany, black teak wood, and lavender. And then my son also grabbed him a teak wood men's collection cologne. This one was not on sale though. It was regular price at $39.50, but it's worth it because the one that he had from last year, he still has some left. That is all we got on the men's collection. Like I said, they did have some stuff on sale, but they did not have a lot of 75% off, but they did have their items on sale. I can't remember exactly what the sales prices was, so yeah. Move this to the side. So next, I only picked up one shower gel. They had three different, they had like this afternoon sunshine and like a cloud and something else. It was three different collections. She said that they brought out only specifically for the 75% off sale. So I only grabbed a shower gel. I didn't get the lotion or the spray. And this is the afternoon sunshine. She sprayed the spray for me. It smelled really good, so I wanted to try this. It's golden peaches, honey crisp apple, and white woods. And yeah, this was new that they put out just for the sale. They also had brung out some new Japanese cherry blossoms. They had bubble bath, something else, and then they had this rice milk and Shea body scrub. And I was at the checkout when I seen this, and I grabbed it. I'm not a fan of the Japanese cherry blossom. I like the smell, but it's just not my go-to or favorite. It's not something that I usually ever pick up, but I had to get it in the body scrub. It's perfect for the summer. So yeah, I grabbed one of these, and the price on this was $16.50. Price on this one was $13.50. And then I found this Aromatherapy Love Rose Vanilla moisturizing body wash, and I was like, ooh, this just looks like it smells good and feels good. But it has rose oil in it and vanilla. The rose oil inspires connection and self-confidence. The vanilla absolute calms the mind to encourage relaxation. I cannot wait to use this. And then I grabbed a At the Beach body cream, and I just thought this was so pretty because it's like a little sparkly glitter print on the bottle. And the fragrance notes with this one is white frangipani. I don't know. That's the first time I've ever seen that word. White frangipani blossoms, toasted coconut, bergamot water, sea salt breeze, and sun-kissed musk. So let me see if I could. I could smell it. That smells really good. And then they also said that these were new, that they were bringing out for the sale. They only had, I think, like 2 or 3 of these left. And this is a Shea Butter hand cream. I like this container that it came in, because when she first showed it to me, I thought it was soap. But it's called Black Cherry Merlot. And they had a tester out, and the texture of it is great, and it smells so good. She said that it still keeps your hands moisturized even after you wash your hands. After wearing it, you wash and dry your hands. She said your hand still has a nice bit of moisture left on it. But this is amazing. I don't know why I should have got the ones they had left, because this is great. These were $14.50 original price. And then the last 2 things I got was candles. The candle, this was regular $15.50, and I think this was like let me see. Okay, so yeah, so it was $3.39. And mahogany coconut. And I know that their candles always smells so good. And then I got a big one in the black teakwood, because she raved so much about the black teakwood. But these were on the, they were with the teakwood body wash for 75% off, because not all the candles were 75% off, I think she said, or something. So I grabbed that one, and it was $5.59. So I had to grab this, and they only had a couple left. Oh yeah, y'all, when I was up at the checkout, they had these in like a little container with a 75% off little sale tag on it. They have these lip oils with coconut oil in it. This one's called Caramel Dip. They were $12.50, and she said that they were stopping it, or the production of them or something, so they brought them out and put them out with the sale. And she actually had one. She took it out and put it on so I could see how it looked, and it looked really nice. It didn't go on this color. It was really nice. So I picked up one of these as well. A nice little lip gloss lip oil. And yes, y'all, that is it. These are all of the great items that I grabbed from the Bath and Body Works semi-annual clearance sale. I just absolutely love when they have this sale. So yeah, you guys, I hope you guys enjoyed watching what I picked up. And if you guys went, make sure to let me know in the comments, and you know what you guys got if you are going and all that good stuff. Thank you guys for watching. Make sure to give this video a thumbs up, subscribe, turn on your notifications, and I will see you guys in the next video. Bye, y'all.